In the United States, a controversial push to stop judges in Oklahoma taking Islamic law into account when deciding cases heads back to court just in time for Sunday's September 11 anniversary. Muslim leaders say it violates their rights and stigmatises their faith. And as North America correspondent Craig McMurtry reports from Oklahoma, the row is particularly confronting for one September 11 Muslim widow.
Baraheen Ashrafi didn't always wear her hijab or headscarf every day. But September 11 changed everything, including her approach to her religion.
I don't consider them as a Muslim. In Islam, it doesn't say to do anything, harm people.
After 9/11, she covered up and felt she had to escape New York. She moved to Oklahoma. She was a new mother. She'd given birth to a boy 2 days after the Twin Towers fell. And she was on her own. Her husband, a waiter on the 107th floor of the North Tower, died that day.
They don't know that Muslim was killed on that day. It's been 10 years. How come, people still they don't know?
In the years that followed 9/11, Oklahoma enjoyed the lowest rate of reported hate crimes directed toward members of the Muslim community of any place in America. Until last year, when a public campaign was launched to change the state constitution to specifically prohibit Sharia law. Muslims make up less than 1% of the state's population. No one had been seriously pushing for courts to follow Islamic law.
You feel like you're a second-class citizen.
But proponents like lobby group Act for America, founded after 9/11, regarded it as a preemptive strike.
We will do everything in our power, using all our resources, to make sure we send a very strong message to radicals living within our midst.
Oklahoma voters overwhelmingly supported the ban, but a federal judge blocked it on appeal. And so, in the midst of the row, Baraheen Ashrafi finds herself reluctantly back in the limelight as a Muslim victim of 9/11.
I can't explain it in any words, but I wish I want to see his face.
The next round in the discrimination case is due to be heard the day after September 11. Craig McMurtry, ABC News, Oklahoma.